Alright everybody, we're going to listen to this Anytone Ares 2. Had a custom black faceplate for it because this was a prototype model before they came out with these radios a few years back. Kind of rare. Like where the NRC was, that was a RF power high and low. This was your mic gain, labeled that way, huh? And then that was your clarifier. But everything's labeled like it should be. And we're going to listen to it through this Cobra 142 GTO on sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, clean sounding radio. These are great radios, guys. Pick one up. I'm highly surprised. Highly recommend these. 73s. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 215 DX 11 meter USA.